Medical care errors in the United States are to blame for more than 250,000 deaths per year. This accounts for 10% of all U.S. deaths and makes it the third leading cause of death in the United States. This is from studies of medical death rate over the past 8 years by Johns Hopkins. My topic of choice was the problems within medical care, and the solutions to these problems would be focusing on improving health overall, and lowering the high cost, and using primary care. I chose this topic because I've always been intrigued by medical situations, and I have experience in the medical field, so I'm able to see how the system works firsthand, and I'm currently employed in the medical field. It is important to know these problems and their solutions in medical care because they can affect you or your loved ones personally. To solve problems within the medical care, we need to adopt value-based care, use our primary care, and improve health overall. The high cost of medical care will continue to rise in the United States. The use of primary care leads us to better health outcomes. Healthcare would improve if we focused on keeping everyone healthy to begin with. We need value-based care to reduce high costs in the medical field. As for many Americans, healthcare is very unaffordable, and this problem will only worsen if it is not brought under control. This is from the Harvard Business Review in 2021. Without a shift to value-based care, these costs will continue to rise. Value-based care will pay providers on the basis of the volume of procedures they perform, rather than the outcomes. This is from the Harvard Business Review in 2021. With several problems in the medical care, we need several solutions. A short-term action would be to use your primary care. Primary care is associated with better outcomes in all mortality: stroke mortality, heart disease mortality, infant mortality, low birth weight, life expectancy, and self-rated health. This is from the Healthcare Handbook in 2014. Primary care causes benefits through different mechanisms, which are greater access to needed services, better quality of care, great focus on prevention, and early management to health problems. This is from the Healthcare Handbook in 2014. One last effective solution to help us improve medical care in the United States would be the long-term action would be to focus on improving health overall. We need to focus on improving health because we need to focus on keeping people healthy rather than just treating them when they're sick. This is from the Harvard Business Review in 2014. According to the Centers of Disease Control, 6 in 10 Americans live with a chronic disease, and chronic diseases are to blame for 7 out of 10 deaths in the United States, which is why we need to start focusing on health from the start. This is from Harvard Business Review in 2021. The solutions to the problems in medical care in the United States would be adopting value-based care, using your primary care, and improving health overall. We need value-based care to reduce high costs in medical care. We also need to use primary care for a short-term action of the best quality care. Lastly, we need to start by focusing on health overall in the long run. Put yourself in the shoes of someone that has a chronic disease, can't afford the health care, and does not get the best quality care. We need to act on these solutions for better health care for ourselves, loved ones, and others.